How does tympanometry measure eardrum compliance? Imagine trying to see how flexible a balloon is by gently pressing on it. This is similar to what tympanometry does for your eardrum. Tympanometry is a simple, painless test that helps healthcare providers understand how well your middle ear is functioning by measuring how your eardrum moves in response to changes in air pressure. The key idea here is compliance, which means how easily or freely your eardrum can move. This movement is important because it reflects the health of your middle ear, which includes the tiny bones and the space behind your eardrum. During the test, a small, soft probe is carefully placed into your ear canal. This probe creates an airtight seal and delivers a gentle tone into your ear. At the same time, the device adjusts the air pressure inside the ear canal, first increasing it and then decreasing it. As the pressure changes, your eardrum responds by moving back and forth. A built-in microphone inside the probe detects how much sound is reflected back from the eardrum during these pressure changes. When the pressure on both sides of the eardrum is equal, usually close to normal atmospheric pressure, the eardrum moves most freely. This is called the point of maximum compliance because the eardrum is at its most flexible. The device then records this information and creates a graph called a tympanogram. On this graph, the vertical axis shows how much the eardrum moves, and the horizontal axis shows the air pressure in the ear canal. The highest point on the graph indicates the pressure at which the eardrum is most compliant. A normal tympanogram suggests that the middle ear is healthy, with the eardrum and tiny bones moving properly, allowing sound to pass through efficiently. If the compliance is reduced, it might mean there is fluid behind the eardrum, stiffness from scarring or other conditions, or problems like otosclerosis that can cause conductive hearing loss. On the other hand, increased compliance could suggest a floppy eardrum or a break in the chain of middle ear bones, which can also impair hearing. In addition to compliance, tympanometry measures other useful data such as the volume of the ear canal and the pressure at which the eardrum moves best. These details help distinguish between different types of hearing issues, especially whether the problem is in the outer or middle ear, or if the inner ear or auditory nerve might be involved. This test is quick, non-invasive, and safe, making it a common part of hearing evaluations. It is often used alongside other hearing tests to give a complete picture of ear health. If the results show abnormalities, a healthcare professional can further investigate to find the exact cause and recommend appropriate treatment. Remember, every person's ear is unique, so results can vary, and only a qualified professional can interpret what they mean for you. Tympanometry is a valuable tool supported by medical guidelines and scientific research, helping to identify middle ear issues that could affect hearing. Always consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice and interpretation of your test results.